This company has strategically strengthened its foothold in the oil and gas services sector with a recent acquisition and a 62 crore contract for integrated drilling services. Over the past 2 years, this stock has surged 268%, reflecting its growth potential. With a strong bidding pipeline and expectations of a 35% revenue increase by FY26, supported by industry tailwinds, this company is set to deliver long term value. Stay tuned to uncover this game changing stock. Hello and welcome to another edition of Noisemaker, where we cut through the noise to uncover high potential small cap opportunities. I'm Mridul Mishra, Equity Research Analyst at Desvelado Advisory. In today's segment, we highlight three companies making impactful developments in their respective sectors through their recent filings. As always, this is not a buy or sell recommendation. Today's lineup includes Josts Engineering Company Ltd, Deep Industries Ltd, and Azad Engineering Ltd. The first company, Josts Engineering Company Ltd, is the leading provider of material handling and engineering solutions catering to diverse industries. Recently, the company secured a 29.5 crore purchase order from Haryana Vidyut Prasaran Nigam Ltd for two energy restoration systems, solidifying its position in the power infrastructure domain. Financially, Jost recorded a revenue growth of 10.9% quarter on quarter in Q2 of FY25, reaching 62.58 crores, with improvement in EBITDA margins to 13.9% in Q2 FY25, increasing by 371 basis points from last quarter. With the plans to expand into solar power, EV, and EMS industry, coupled with new product launches, the company is well positioned to capture growth opportunities in high demand sector. The second company on our list is Deep Industries Ltd. It operates in the oil and gas services space, offering solutions like gas compression, drilling operations, and project management. The company recently acquired a 100% stake in Indra Offshore Services Private Limited for a mere 11,000. Both the company and the target company belong to oil and gas business, which will increase the strategic and operational efficiency, boosting the company's goal of 35% growth in revenue by FY26. Financially, Deep Industries reported a 6.5% quarter-on-quarter revenue growth in Q2 FY25, reaching 131 crores, with an impressive EBITDA margin of 43.5%, growing by 200 basis points from the last quarter. Long ahead, the strong bidding pipeline is expected for new contracts in the next 3 to 6 months, supported by a 1,402 crore ONGC contract. With refurbishment projects nearing completion and a strong bidding pipeline, the company is well positioned for sustainable long-term growth. For our third company, we have Azad Engineering Ltd. It specializes in precision engineered components for turbines and aerospace applications. It recently signed a 960 crore supply agreement with the US-based client for high-value airfoils, which strengthens its international footprint and also keeps the company in line with the management's outlook of increasing the order book to 4,500 crores. The company's financial performance reflects strong growth, with revenues increasing by 14.3% in Q2 FY25, reaching 112 crore, and EBITDA margins at a healthy 35.7%, growing by 200 basis points from the previous quarter. The commissioning of a new facility in FY26 will expand tenfold, enabling the company to sustain its high growth trajectory. Azad Engineering is also exploring further collaborations to solidify its market leadership in precision manufacturing. Now let's quickly review our previous picks. Ceinsys Tech Limited was covered at 1,870 and is now trading at 1,950.2, up 4.3%. Greaves Cotton Limited was covered at 262 and is now trading at 243, down 7.2%. EMS Limited was covered at 834.2 and is now trading at 809.4, down 3%. Gensol Engineering Ltd was covered at 745 and is now trading at 755, up 1.3%. Indo Tech Transformers Ltd was covered at 2,738.9 and is now trading at 3,099.9, up 13.2%. Before we wrap up, here is a quick summary of the recent filings we covered today. Josts Engineering Ltd secured a 29.5 crore order for emergency restoration systems, strengthening its presence in the power sector. Deep Industries Ltd acquired Indra Offshore Services and secured a 62 crore drilling services contract, bolstering its operational efficiency. And Azad Engineering Ltd signed a 960 crore supply agreement, enhancing its order book and international client base. So that's a wrap for today's Noisemaker. For more details, please feel free to refer to the attached PDF in the description and stay ahead and stay informed. Like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.